What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we finally had someone else show up for one, and it's not just me. Tony's here.
You shut your face.
We're both sick. Today we're gonna be working on the Grom again. We got some more parts to put on. We'll upgrade aftermarket parts to make it look a little better and make it look less like Dumbo. So we have a license plate, I think it's like a relay for the blinkers so they actually blink, and then a new brake light which takes the blinkers on the back and the brake light and puts it all together. So let's get to it. Hopefully we install all three things. First thing we got to do is take the seat off. First we're going to do the brake light, which is right here. These wires to the brake light, and then so it says blue wire goes all the way down here. So it goes right there, and it's on like a little metal tab, so it doesn't move, I guess. And we got to figure out how to get that off. But to make it easier, we'll take this off, which looks like there's a screw somewhere.
Towards the bottom.
There's one here, right here, and there's one right here, and one right there. Y'all can't really see it, but it's right here. So we're gonna take that off, and then get that wire off, and then continue with the install. Hopefully we can get this bike back together. Hopefully. Alright, so finally got the connector off. So there's like a little thing that sits on. It's right here. Yeah, there you go. Right there. And this has a little tab in it. Right here. Okay, so you push up on this. That little tab right there, and it comes off of this little nipple right there, and it slides off. Now we can take the brake light off, which is this nut and this nut. You think? I hope. I think this bolt and the bolt right here that I already took out takes the whole back fender off perfectly. So the brake light's off. That was a little more difficult than it should have been. These are 10mm nuts that you take off, and then this whole thing just slides out. Next, we're gonna take this fender off. Hopefully we can figure that out, and hopefully it's really easy. So, for the fender, there's only four nuts that hold this on, which is this, and this, which are four 12mm bolts, which are this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now let's see what we got to do to put the license plate back on, get the license plate light back on, and then put the brake light back on, the new one. So on the back of the rear fender, there's two screws that I think you gotta take out to get the license plate light off, I think. I don't know, at this point I'm just kind of taking...
Will you hurry up?
Kind of taking screws out and hoping for the best. And the other two screws.
Bet you that one's gonna come out too.
And that nut, probably. got it all apart. And we got the tag light off. Now let's start with the tag plate. So here's the tag plate. So it comes in two pieces. This goes in these holes, like so. So you put the tag light on, and you put this plate on, like so, and you put it back in the holes that you took that off of, and then use the nuts supplied. Alright, so sorry about the change of quality. My other camera died. So I don't know if this is better or worse or the same. I don't know. So I fed the wire through. Now we gotta feed it through this hole. And then we can bolt this up with the nuts that came with the plate holder. And then we push this back through this way. Run this back through here. Like so. And then this gets kind of shoved in there. No. You get, I don't know, somehow it goes in here, like that, sure. And then this gets plugged back into this, like that. And it gets shoved down here. Like that. And then we get the brake light and install that. Alright guys, we got the bike back together. The brake light's in, the new license plate holder is on. Definitely looks way better. But now it doesn't have a huge, long rocket ship on the back of it. Let me turn the ignition on and everything so that you can see the brake light. So obviously right now it's just on, running light, you know. That's the brake light. And then when the blinker gets pressed, turns one side yellow or orange, whatever you want to call that, the other side. Yeah. If you guys liked the video, if you found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any suggestions on how I can make my videos, or our videos better, not my, our videos better, maybe explain things a little better, because I suck at explaining things, something I need to work on. But leave a comment down below. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. I didn't install the little module, if that's what you want to call it, for the blinkers, so they still don't blink. But I'm out of time. I got to go get ready and leave to go do something for the weekend. And so that'll be another video too. I gotta look it up to figure out what I gotta put that. Follow our Twitter and Instagram. That's where we post things more often than YouTube. See you later. I guess I forgot to take this out.
Man, you got crap everywhere in everything.
I found some electrical tape. That was left in the bike. That was very dangerous. Or meat cleaver. Instructions. If you have any tips on how I can make my videos better, maybe
Dilly dilly.